got the catalytic converter cleaned out, got it bolted back onto the car, torqued down, cool, went to try to test fire it. Oh, that's no good. I did a little digging, figured out what it was. That is my crank angle sensor. Crank angle sensors aren't supposed to be Bluetooth. So, yeah, that's. We're into the car. We're gonna do a little inspection, check up stuff that haven't looked at in a while. Some crap down here. I don't think it actually came from the car. I'm trying to figure out where it would have come from, and I just don't see it. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh, this is the GBS, the ATR clutch slave. Got a year of use on it, and it's already showing some wear on the bushings and everything. They're just chewed up and deteriorated. So that's something to be aware of. I'll need to replace that stuff. Surprising that they've deteriorated this quickly. Fairly dry. Oh, well, maybe. There's some leakage right here around the drain plug. So maybe I am dripping a little bit. Good to know. Another thing to note, this reservoir actually does leak a little bit from the top. I'm guessing the gasket's just shit. You might want to replace the gasket or O-ring that's inside of this cap before screwing everything else down, because you might run into some paint problems. Because I was out and about starting the car a couple of times while I was out the last time, got home, I assumed that the issue with the crank angle sensor happened here in the garage, probably while I was wrestling the exhaust manifold on and off. It's a little bit interesting that the pins themselves broke. I'm going to make an order from probably Bollinger. They should have some good quality replacement connectors. I'll get that in, crimped on. It'll be a few weeks because I've got some travel coming up and some other things going on.